Hey, vegans in the wild over 50. So I've just taken some precautions because we're supposed to be getting a severe wind event tonight and 75-mile-an-hour gusts. And it's just starting to sprinkle now. So I pulled forward probably 10 feet so that I'm clear of the overhang of these trees, unless that one falls directly onto my camper. But if it falls anywhere else, I'll be okay. And cleared out everything that was over here. Took my mat in last night, put it in the back here, and also my patio set and my tarp. And when I was in there, I found a heavy old jack, so I got rid of that, and now I can put my patio set in there when I travel. So I tightened up all the stabilizers and hooked the camper up to my car for added stability. And that's about it. Everybody stay safe. I'm gonna try and clear all the cabinets off, or the countertops off inside, just, you know, just in case a window blows in, and so it doesn't blow stuff all over the place, but I'm sure that won't happen. I'm sure I will be fine and everybody will be fine. Everybody be safe and stay vegan.